Good day to you guys. This is Ali from TechRut, and this is just going to be a quick short tutorial and basically a bug fix or an issue fixing that almost everybody who uses 3D models in Unity has. And that's when you're importing the model in from Blender or any 3D model that you've downloaded from the internet, maybe free or paid one. When you import it in Unity and push it on your scene, it basically does not face you in the right direction, or even if it's facing you in the right direction, the scale and the direction is added to its properties, like minus 90 degrees or 90 degrees. So what I'm going to show you quickly is how you can actually export your 3D model from Blender to Unity with the correct scaling and the correct direction. So stick around. So welcome back. So this is basically just a dummy platform, and I've just added this just a cube and a direction, so you guys know if I'm pressing 1, normally we do face towards the minus y-axis in Blender, and z-axis is the vertical one, as you can see it from here. So if you press 1, this is going to be facing you. So all you need to, even if you've downloaded your 3D model from the internet, what you can do is, one step is that you can import it into Unity, and then what you can do is check with the settings that I'll show you that if it imports in Unity properly. Otherwise, what you can do is you can add another step, put the FBX file or the object file or the model in Blender, and then follow these steps, right? So here we go. So all you need to do is, first thing is that select the whole object. We're in the object mode. Okay, I'm just going to show you closely. So we're in the object mode, and you just select the object here, and then you go to object, click it, then you go to apply, and then you go to all transforms and click it. Okay, so that's basically because of any if there's any rotations in here, it gets fixed with your model. Now select it, go to file, go to export, and then click FBX. That's the one that we're doing. I haven't tested these settings with any other format, but you guys can test it out and let me know. So press FBX. So this is the one that we get, right? So I'm just gonna name it platform A. Now go to path mode. You can do auto, but the one that I actually prefer is copy, and then click the, I'm just going to focus it, right? So copy, and then I'm going to click the embed texture, limit to selected object, because we don't want to import the camera and the lighting stuff. Now here's where it actually becomes interesting. So scale is 1. You can change the scale up to, it's up to you, but I'm just going to go with 1. To apply settings, by default is all local, so you need to change it to FBX all. Forward is going to be minus Z forward, and up is going to be Y up. Now minus Z forward, I've changed it. I don't know what default value you guys get, because in Unity, if you go to Unity, the forward one, where you can see this is just a dummy capsule. So the forward one is, if you look at here, is minus Z, and the up is Y. So we want our object to have that same axis. So going back to Blender, so we'll have Z forward as Z minus Z, up as Y. We're going to click apply unit, and then we're going to click use space transform, and then we're going to click apply transform. I'm using Blender 3. I'm just going to show 3.5. So it's 3.5. I'm not sure how, I think for the upper level it'll be okay, but you guys can let me know what happens in the other one. So I'm going to export FBX again, coming back. So we've got the all 3 units, and I'm not baking my animation. So if you guys have animation with it, you can just bake it. And I'm going to press change the platform to okay, and I'm going to export it. I'm directly exporting to my Unity, so you'll see it here. So here's the thing, if you select this one, right, and scroll down, you see scale is 1 1 1 and no rotation, right? But if I import it right now, it's going to be flipped. So if I import it right now, right, you see it's not pointing towards the here. It's not pointing towards our hero on the upside. If you see, it's pointing away. So I'm just going to remove this one. One step you need to do is select this one, select your file, and here bake X in model tab, bake axis conversion. You need to check it and then click apply. Once applied, your direction will become the same as -X, and you just drop it in your scene, and here you can see the object is now facing towards your camera. And if you look at the stats, it's 111 with rotation 000. So by default, that's basically the main issue that comes in Unity. And I've seen so many people, even myself, when I started off, you need to get your you need to like drop it in, change the transform, and make a prefab again, and that messes up your animations or your effects and stuff like that. So I hope this is going to fix a lot of your problems. You guys can test it out with your character models as well, with your animations. But with platforms model, this is the solution that I found out. The version for Unity I'm using is 2021.3.8 F1. So I hope this was great help to you guys. If it is, just comment below and you can ask questions. And if you want a tutorial for Unity or for Blender, just send me a message. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon, because that's how I get motivated and keep bringing in your stuff. So this was your host, Ali Rator from TechRed. Hope you guys enjoyed it and hope this solves your problem. Take care. Bye-bye. Peace out.